Electronegativity is a property that all elements have except for noble gases. Electronegativity is what allows elements to form bonds between each other, and when the total charge is zero, you have a compound that has covalent charges all the way round. Polyatomic ions are stable compounds that have either a positive or negative charge. Majority of them, though, have a negative charge. Different compounds like polyatomic ions have set charges like -1 or +1, but so do elements as well. An easy way to find out the electronegative charge of an atom is to mark up your periodic table like so. Before doing so, there's one important exception, which is hydrogen, which has a -1 charge due to it only having one electron shell, so we shall treat it as if it is in group 17. Then, groups 1 and 2 will have charges of +1 and +2 respectively, and transition metals, all except for silver, usually will have a charge of +2. But otherwise, they will have a charge indicated by a Roman numeral next to their atomic symbol, which indicates what charge they will have. For example, Fe3, or Fe Roman numeral 3, would have a charge of +3. Then group 13 would have a charge of +3, and then group 14 would get a bit more complicated as it is both +4 and -4 at the same time, or ±4. This essentially means that it is 4 slots which can be filled as it is 4 valence electrons. Then we get to groups 15, 16, and 17, which have charges of -3, -2, and -1 respectively, with group 18, the noble gases, having a charge of 0, as they have complete valence shells and do not really interact with anything. A quick example of using this knowledge would be with a reaction. Let's say we have the compounds of calcium and nitrate. To solve this solution, we find whichever group calcium is in. In this case, it is in group 2, and we write down its charge of +2. Then, as nitrate is NO3 with a -1 charge, we figure out how many of each we will need to create a neutral compound. In this example, we need 1 calcium for every 2 nitrate, and when combined, they will form calcium nitrate with a 0 charge. Hopefully this made things a little bit less confusing. If you have any questions, please just comment them and I will try and answer them.